Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making Malai Kulfi ice cream. Creamy, rich and full of traditional flavor. A simple homemade kulfi with a unique taste using toast and jaggery. Let's start the recipe. In a pan, add 2 cups milk. Use full fat milk for best result. Keep stirring and let it boil. Kulfi is a traditional frozen dessert. It is denser and creamier than regular ice cream. Now add 5 to 6 rusk or toast pieces. Cook until the toast becomes soft and absorb the milk. Using toast gives a unique texture and body. Remove from heat and let it cool for 5 minutes. Add half cup jaggery while the mixture is warm, not hot. Jaggery adds a rich natural sweetness. Mix well until dissolved. Now pour everything into a blender. Two tablespoons milk malai. Blend until smooth and creamy. Blend well for a smooth texture. Pour the mixture into kulfi molds. Cover with foil and insert sticks. Keep in freezer for 6 to 8 hours until fully set. Serve chilled. Milk provides calcium and protein. Jaggery is a natural sweetener. Homemade kulfi is preservative free. You can control sweetness and ingredients. Your creamy Malai Kulfi ice cream is ready. Serve chilled and enjoy this traditional dessert. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes.